So that was Silver Rain by Octave Listener. Now, Octave's music in particular takes influence from musicians like the Rolling Stones, Marvin Gaye, Neil Young, and Paul Simon. But his musical attractions range widely and are diverse, including the more contemporary Radiohead and Kings of Leon. It's not surprising that he actually draws on such a wide range of artistry. He started learning violin at the age of 6, guitar at 8, and at 11 he discovered that he could actually sing. So he formed a band in which he could co-write songs with his friends, but none of those embarrassed boys were comfortable putting themselves forward as a lead singer. Taking turns on the microphone to see who could sing the best, Octave actually found his voice. Since then, it has continued to serve him well, and Octave has composed and performed music in a number of bands and as a solo artist in venues across London and in Paris. In April 2016, Octave won the prize for Best Composition in the Best Musical Mind, an international competition which happens in Belgrade. Now, this allowed him to attend a summer program offered by the Berklee School of Music in Italy. A restless composer, Octave has written music for web series and film soundtracks and currently lives between Paris and London, where he spends his time composing and drinking chocolate milk. So that was Silver Rain by Octave Listener. Now add it to your next week's playlist if you haven't added it yet, and follow Sonal's Radio if you are liking what you are listening. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I share daily track recommendation and stories of the artists you love. Moving on to the fourth recommendation in this brand new episode for this brand new year is an American indie pop band called Cannons, formed in 2013 in Los Angeles. The band consists of lead vocalist Michelle Joy, guitarist Ryan Clapham, and keyboardist and bassist Paul Davis. Now, Clapham and Davis had been friends since childhood, and they began composing music together in their teenage years. In 2013, after posting an ad on the website Craigslist seeking a singer for their musical project, Clapham and Davis connected with Joy, who was thereafter recruited as Cannons' frontwoman. Cannons issued their first EP, Up All Night, in 2014. The band then released their first debut album, which was called Night Drive, in 2017, as well as their second EP, In a Heartbeat, the following year. Fire for You, the first single from Shadows and the track which you're going to hear next, gained significant commercial traction after being featured in a 2020 episode of the comedy drama TV series Never Have I Ever. The band soon went on to sign a commercial deal with Columbia Records, and in early 2021, Fire for You reached number 1 on the Billboard Alternative Airplay chart. Here is Fire for You by Cannons.